Hi, this is Kautil Roshan, and today we will be talking about LinkedIn marketing. So, in LinkedIn marketing, we will be talking about what is LinkedIn, like what are the options available in LinkedIn organic marketing. Plus, watch the video till the end to know that how we can improve our weekly search stats so that something related to our work and all people are searching in LinkedIn. So, our profile appears on that. And for example, if I scroll down, you can see here between December 7 to December 14, I have been appeared, my profile has been appeared 60 times basically. And then again I can see here for what keywords my like you can say searchers were searching, so that I have ranked. So you can say for the word digital marketing specialist I am ranking, and again for digital marketing consultant my profile is being come on the LinkedIn. So do watch the video till the end to know like what we can do so that we can also rank for the main words that we want to found for in LinkedIn and all. So let's start the class. Let's start with LinkedIn introduction. What is LinkedIn basically? So again, if I go to LinkedIn, basically LinkedIn is a professional network. So professional network means it is like where we connect with professional people. Like I will be connecting with digital marketers as a digital marketing trainers, and suppose people from other background like you can say accounts, sales and all, they will be connecting with their respective like you can say industry that they are working in. So that is why it is called as professional network, because we connect with our colleague or same industry people rather connecting with friends or family. Then afterwards, if we talk about LinkedIn, it is a very good platform for B2B business. Now what is B2B? Whenever I am looking for like you can say business to business, for example I am dealing with companies, I am providing my services to only company, not to an individual, then it is called as B2B, like business to business and all. Now let's see what are the options. See, in LinkedIn you have two kind of things. Like one is like we do for brand, that we call brand marketing, and second is our own branding. Like we can do our own branding in LinkedIn, so the people who are looking for our services and all from our industry, they can reach out to us for their work and all. Let's start with for brand marketing how we can do. So for doing brand marketing, first thing you need to do in LinkedIn is you need to create the page. And while creating the page, guys, always remember you should have a account that is active. Means active in the sense you are posting regularly and all, because again what happens if you create the account today only, then LinkedIn will not allow you to create the page. So at least run the account for few days, like 7-8 days, and post something, connect with people and all. Then afterwards you can go and you can create that. So again, how you will find people? You can go here, search, and you can search for people. Suppose I want to search for digital marketing people, so I can go here and I can search for digital marketing. Then I can click on enter, and when I click on enter, here you can say all the digital marketing people I can find, and I can connect with them. So once they receive my connect request, they accept, so again my connection will increase, and then afterwards I will keep posting. Simply I can go to the home here and I can go and I can post. So I will suggest to start posting, start connecting if you have a new account. Now let's get let's get started with how to create the page. Now why we will be creating the page? For brand marketing, means for the company, B2B companies and all, we have to create the page. Particularly if I have to do marketing in LinkedIn or business in LinkedIn, if your company has a page, that is very good, and if your company does not have page, so first thing you will be doing is creating the page. So you will be going to the work drop down and you will just scroll down, and here you will click on create a company page. So again, as per depending upon your company size, you can choose like fewer than 200 employee, more than 200 employees, or showcase page. Like any sister company we have, we want for that, we can go and we can do that. Then we have educational institution. So again, for educational, like we can say school and universities, we can go with that. So suppose my organization is less than 200 employees, then I can go with small business options. Now again I can name it here. So whatever name I want to give, I can go and I can go with that name. For example, suppose DZ Manthan. So again, like suppose I want this, so I can go with this, and then again the website if I have, I can go and I can give the website URL particularly. And then afterwards, basically I can choose the industry. So whatever industry we belong to, suppose we belong to marketing and all, so I can go here and I can choose marketing and all. So you can go and you can choose with the letter wise. Then again after that you can choose the company size 0 to 1, 2 to 10, 11 to 50, 51 to 200. So you can go and you can have that. So suppose like I want 2 to 10 employees, and company type again, like suppose it is a sole proprietorship, so I can go with that, or it is a private held companies and all, or it is a government company, so we can choose with the government one and all. Then here we can upload the logo. So again, logo size they have mentioned 300 to 300, recommended to upload in the recommended size. So you can go and choose file and you can upload that. For example, if I go here, I can go here particularly and I can choose with this, I can upload. So again you can see here it has been uploaded. Then again I can go with the tagline here. So whatever tagline we want, we can go with that. We provide marketing across the platform, and then again I can verify and I can click on create page. So once I get the see, this public URL is already in use. So if you are taking a name that is already in use, so again like we need to change that. So again like we need to change the URL. See, name I can keep same, but I have to change the URL. So again I have changed them. Now let's go to create page. See, now my page is created. So what I did, I changed the URL because there could be only one URL for one kind of page. Then after that, if I want, I can give the website URL guys, and I can give the description, and I can give the location, my registered location I will always advise to give. Then here cover photo you can give. Here they have given the size, so you can go and you can edit and you can give this. After that, particularly I will highly advise here to like add whatever they are recommending here, and make sure you go to the tick mark like custom button, your first post, hashtag. How to do, just click on add, and here you can select the button depending upon what kind of business you have. So if you want users to go to visit website, you can go with that. If you want users to go with sign up or learn more option or contact us options and all, so you can go and you can have that. So suppose I want user to contact me, so I can give here the URL of my contact us page. If I want user to visit websites and all, I can go and I can have that. So I can go and I can give the URL. So I can go and I can copy the URL. For example, suppose I want for my website, suppose, so I can go and I can copy that. So I can come here and I can give here and I can press enter. So again it is done just like this. You can go and you can add all the things. You can click on next, and you can add hashtag, up to 3 hashtag related to your industry you can add. For example, I can add digital marketing, suppose digital marketing and online marketing and all. So again 3 things we can add and we can click on save. So just like this I can go and I can have all the things. So again you can see if I am filling all this details, it will go. It is highly advisable to go till here. You can see what are all the things are left. So it is highly advisable to fill that. And once you fill that, then afterwards you can go and you can post. So again you can go and you can, just like in Facebook or Instagram we used to do, we can select the here photos, whatever photos that we want, and we can write here the caption that we have to post, and we can add the hashtag also, and we can click on post, so it will be posted. And again on the left hand side, if you can see that particularly, so you can see the analytics also, how many in search appearance we have come, how many unique visitors we have, how many new followers we have, and how many post impression we have. So post impression is number of times particularly our post has been served to the people. Unique visitors means unique account visitors. And again, search appearance means when people were searching, then our post has appeared or our this page has appeared and all. If you want to create the event, you can click on event and you can go and you can create the event. So this is how you create page, and then similarly you can post, and you can again after that you can promote that and all that. You can go in advertise options and you can do that. Like here, if you scroll down in the work drop down, then afterwards you will get here advertise option. So some of you might get here. So that is how we can advertise. So the advantage of page versus profile is for personal use, page is for professional use. Now again, suppose I have to do, like you can say particularly I have to do research basically. So how I will do the research? So again, you can go to the search drop down here, and when you click on the search drop down, suppose I want to search, so I can click on digital marketing. Now again, there are a couple of filters that you can use. Like if you are searching for people, you can click on people. If you are searching for services, you can click on services. So people who are providing services, you can see here all the services that they are providing, then service category, then location wise. So again, I can go and I can click on all filters, and I can again see all the things with the service, location, connection. Like first degree is if suppose we both are connected, so it will be first degree. Now again, friend of a friend is second degree, and friend of a friend is third degree. Suppose suppose A and B are connected, so A and B will be first degree, and again A is connected to B and B is connected to C, but A is not connected directly to C, so A and C will be second degree. And suppose same, A is connected to B, B is connected to C, and C is connected to D, so A and D will be third degree connections. Then we have profile languages, so we can choose the languages that we want particularly. Then again, if I go and if I search here digital marketing, then after that if I click here, you can see all the things I can see as per my requirement. So again, like suppose if I have to see people and all particularly, or post I have to see. Suppose being a digital marketer, I am not getting the idea what kind of post I should be making. So I can click on post and I can see here, and again I can get an idea what kind of post people are posting as a digital marketing and all. So this will again give me a good chance, like I can see and I can learn and I can apply that in my client business or for myself as well. Now let's talk about the most important thing, like how to create self branding with LinkedIn. So guys, for self branding with LinkedIn, if I go to my profile here, particularly for self branding, you need particularly first thing that you need is all-star rating. So you have to have all-star. How to achieve that? You have to just give all the information here in the your profile, whatever they are asking, like where you last graduated, what is your current companies, what was your past company, your experience and all. So that will again, if you give all the information they require, it will change to all star. And once it changed to all star, you can see here the person who has viewed my profile, like again it will increase once you change it to all star. So again you can see 157 people have viewed my profile, and again 258 people have viewed my post, and 60 times I have my account has come in the search appearance. Now again, if you click on the search appearance, so what does that mean is this is number of time my profile appeared in the search result between December 7 to December 14. So you can see it is for the current week only, means 7 to 14 December. So in 7 days 60 time my profile has appeared in the search when people were searching about the word. So how I can know what word? So again, before that you can see where my searcher work, like whoever was searching where they actually work. So they are from marketing advertisement, and again you can see from like information technology and services. Then again, if I scroll down here, then again like you can see what they do, whatever my searcher do. So I can get an idea like what kind of people are searching for things related to my particular niche. Niche means what I do particularly. In my case, it is a digital marketing. Then again, you can see here keyword search your searches used. So again, keyword my searcher used, you can say digital marketing specialist, and again digital marketing consultant. So again, how to come up for this? So again, you have to be very specific with your, like if I go back on if I go to the profile to come up for the certain words, you have to be like, to come up for that, you can see I have written here digital marketing consultant, professional on digital marketing. So I have included the word that I want to rank for, and again I have given here whatever the services that I provide, basically being a digital marketer. So again, it is very very important to mention all those things in your profile, whatever words that you want to come for. And the next thing is, always you have to be active on LinkedIn. It's not like we have created account, we achieved all star, then our job is done. No, again, you will, if you will see, my post also is getting viewed, like 258 people have viewed my post. So again, if you click on this, and again if you check my post here, so again you can see one day ago I have posted this social media and it got 258. Then again 3 days ago I had posted that, it got 244 views. Then again 6 days ago I have posted that, it got 258 views. So approximately you can say, and again I posted 1 week ago, see it got like 495 views. So again, if you are regular in the posting in LinkedIn, it's again helps. And then again, LinkedIn has the options of article also, so you can write the article. If you see some of the article that I have written, so that have got lesser views, but again it increases the credibility of your profile, so that LinkedIn algorithm or people that are searching for digital marketing, they can read your article, and if they think like, okay, the article is good to the point, so they might offer you their work and all. So these things are very very necessary to rank for the particular niche. Like in my case, you can say I am ranking for digital marketing consultant and digital marketing specialist. So again, it depends upon type of content you are posting, and you have to be very very regular, guys. So again, you can go and you can write article and you can post. So I will advise to at least have 3 posts in a week, and at least if possible in a month, anywhere between 2 to 4 article you should write on your like based upon your industry that you are in. So again, suppose I am from finance industry, so I will write some article related to that. If I am from digital marketing, I will be writing from digital marketing. So this is what we have for LinkedIn organic marketing, guys. Those who are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel to get frequent update about digital marketing. Thank you. Have a great day ahead, guys. See you in the next video.